Hi friends, welcome to our channel English Learning. In this video, we learn about the modal verb ought to and used to. Ought to. Ought to and should both are similar in meaning. So, in questions, sentences, and negatives, sentences should is frequently used instead of ought to because it sounds more natural. We use ought to express advice, duty, and obligation. Ought to mainly used to express present and future time. Here I am sharing some examples to use ought to. We ought to do more exercise. You ought to listen carefully. You ought to be punctual. You ought to go out once in a while. You ought to get up earlier. Ought we to make a start? Ought she to call him? You ought to help your brother. You ought not to eat more than you need. We ought to help the poor people. Used to. We use used to express an activity that happened repeatedly or habitually in the past. Also, we use used to express an activity that was true in the past but now it's no longer true. Here I am sharing examples with you to express used to. I used to swim when I was a boy. My mother used to teach me when I was a student. I used to like cycling when I was younger. We used to live in Delhi. I used to be stubborn when I was a kid. He used to be the late riser when he was a kid. My mother used to tell me stories. We used to be good friends in our childhood. If you like this video, please hit like button and share it to all. If you are new to my channel, then kindly subscribe it, and also press the bell icon to receive updates for the new video.